Teasy. We don't know what it is. Let's go, Teasy. We don't know what it is. Let's go. We don't know what it is. Let's go. You know that tune. It's catching that rhythm. Is this a hundred bands of midgets? Is that is 100?
Hey, I'm 100 every word that I go. A lot of damn things, got a lot of damn calls.
100.
I don't give a fuck, they mad, I'm fucking home. I'm just got you in my hood on the block, I'm getting gone.
100.
Check it, I get a coup back, then I blow it, put it in a cigarette, I gram it if I shoot.
100.
Another $100 what I spend every day. Another $100 bill just for bitches.
100.
I'm in the hood, but ain't got no car. Who I pay everywhere I gotta go, cause I'm a boss.
100.
Don't give a fuck about no money, never trippin', bro. Spend it in the mall, spend it in the hood, and spend it.
100.
You already know I keep it 100 to the fullest. Don't give a fuck. Get my Glock, send me automatic bullets. 100.
100.
Already know I'm blind, rich, they bought them teasers.
Let me get on that shit.
And I'm stunning.
You know I need that 100, right? I need that 100, bro. I need that 100. 100. Let go. I got you. I got some hook up, my nigga.
I need a
100 for them 8 grams. Loud pack, that's the wham on them 6 grams. Niggas tripping on me, I can't even think of man. I'm fucking 100, man. 100. You can't get a better deal, dog. These niggas talking 125 to 35, dog. 100. What the fuck, them niggas tripping on? Gram or that white, 100, dog. 100. You can't beat these fucking prices every time I swing my dick. It's 100 on the paper, 100. I swear we dropping tracks right now. Tears in my eyes, but you can't see them cause I'm rapping 100.
Nigga, and when I die, nigga, I don't give a fuck, I'm fly until I die.
100.
I'ma keep the J's on my motherfucking feet. Of the motherfucking 4 to 7 days of the week.
175, nigga.
Fucking club when I just came from car wash. And I just washed my drop. And I just washed that police.
100.
The fucking club looking nice. It's a big
Joe, you gotta get it. You gotta get it, Joe. 100.
Wanna get her in the back. Take her to the hotel. Make that bitch snip and snap.
100.
Put some oil up on the chick. You know me, I'm a motherfucking hog up in the street.
100.
Motherfucking bitches, I was straight up grind. I would let them bitches know that it's the time to recline.
100. Run that shit back. Joe, run that shit back, bro. Keep it going. Get that shit going. Let me